Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a failing electric power steering and it's time to check in? Electric power steering, also known as EPA, it is going to contain a lot of components. Some of these components are going to be the steering gear, ECU, torque steer, steering angle sensor, and it is going to contain a very important part, and that's going to be the electric motor. And of course, in the EPA system, there is no fluid or pump that is going to be used. For example, there's going to be no power steering pump. You don't need to use power steering fluid. There's going to be no power steering belt. There's going to be no power steering reservoir, and so on. Here is a vehicle with the EPA system. As you can see, there is no power steering pump. And if you look carefully, also, there is no power steering belt or a serpentine belt turning a power steering pump. And of course, there is no power steering line or hose, and also there is no power steering reservoir. How do you know there might be a problem with the electric power steering system? And the first sign is the warning light is going to turn on. You're going to notice the EPA warning light turning on or the steering wheel warning light or icon turning on. When the EPA warning light is on, it is important that you get your vehicle checked out immediately, because since the system is electric and when something fails, you can actually lose all steering control. The next sign that the EPA system might be failing, it is going to be vibration. When you're driving down the road and it feels like your steering wheel is shaking and you don't have any suspension issue, it is possible that EPA system might be the issue. The next sign it's going to be difficult to steer. When the electric motor on the EPA system is starting to fail, you're going to notice you're going to have a hard time turning left or right, and it is going to take a lot of force to turn. The next sign it is time to inspect the EPA system. It is going to be noise. If you're turning left or right and you're hearing a creaking noise or a squeaking noise or a clicking noise or maybe even a buzzing noise or some sort of odd noise, it is important you get it checked out. The next sign is going to be intermittent loss of power caused by a failing electric motor. For example, when you're making a right turn and the first time you made a right turn is going to be effortless, but the next time you try to make a right turn and it feels like you got to turn more than usual, that's going to be caused by a failing electric motor. The next sign is going to be poor response. If there's something wrong with the EPA system and you're trying to make a turn and it feels like the system is not quite responding, that's how you know you're going to have an EPA system issue. So those are a sign of a failing electric power steering. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.